Hello everybody, welcome to the core content lecture. This one will be focusing on the continuation sequence. So getting started with what is the continuation sequence? Well, after a reversal has taken place and a gap has formed, the continuation sequence is used to get alongside a move that's already began. So the continuation in and of itself is comprised of three moving parts, being number one, a higher time frame gap from that reversal that had already taken place, and then within that higher time frame gap, a middle time frame TPD, and then from that middle time frame TPD, a lower time frame entry technique. So again, step number one, higher time frame gap. Step number two, middle time frame TPD within the gap, and then step number three, lower time frame entry technique within the middle time frame TPD. Alright, so this next slide might look like a lot, but we will go deeper into this and actually categorize all of it for the actual continuation model. But these are all of the time frame alignment sequences for the continuation sequence. So getting started, if you have a weekly time frame gap, then you're looking for a daily time frame TPD, and from that daily time frame TPD, you're looking for a 4-hour entry technique. And then if you have a daily time frame gap, then you would look for a 4-hour time frame TPD within the gap, and then a 1-hour time frame entry technique. And then if you have a 4-hour time frame gap, then you're looking for a 1-hour time frame TPD within the gap, and then from that TPD you're looking for a 15-minute entry technique. And then from a 1-hour time frame gap, you're looking for a 15-minute time frame TPD and a 5-minute time frame entry technique. And then finally, from a 15-minute time frame gap, you're looking for a 5-minute time frame TPD and then a 1-minute time frame entry technique. So again, might seem like a lot, but the next core content lecture after this one will categorize everything so you can pick and choose which sequence works best for you. But looking at an actual example, so let's say that we have formed a reversal down at the low end of the range, and then price has expanded, creating a higher time frame gap, as we can see right here. So from this higher time frame gap, what you're looking for is you're looking for that middle time frame TPD. So you're looking for that retracement inside of the higher time frame gap, and then you're looking for that middle time frame TPD, as you can see right here. Then once you have that middle time frame TPD, you're looking for that lower time frame entry technique. So it goes from, again, higher time frame gap, retracement inside of the gap being the middle time frame TPD. As soon as you get that TPD, then you drop down one time frame lower and look for that lower time frame entry technique to get alongside the continuation and actually know when to trust a higher time frame gap. So with this sequence, this tells you how far or when price is ready to leave a gap. So if price is trading within a gap and you have yet to see a TPD, then you know price will not reverse off of that gap until that TPD is made. And as soon as that TPD forms, you already know, look for that lower time frame entry technique. And another thing to add on to this, and yes, we'll go a little bit deeper into this, but with that middle time frame TPD, and this is the part you want to write down that isn't going to be in text in the video, you do not need to see an SMT with candle 2 and candle 3 because it is within a gap, so there's already something governing price. Can an SMT be there? Yes, but is it necessary? No. So this is when you do not need an SMT with candle 2 and candle 3 if you have the TPD, but it's specific to the sequence. So now you're probably wondering, okay, well, what is the lower time frame entry technique? Well, let's look back at memory lane to the Back to Basics series. What did I say the absolute highest echelon of a price signature is? It would be a fair value gap in tune with a breaker. And the Q1 people know this as the universal model. So this would be the fair value gap. And if we look a little bit closer, we have a higher high, lower low, higher high again, making this the breaker. So with that lower time frame entry technique, you're looking for a fair value gap in a breaker to be in alignment. So in summary, you have that higher time frame gap, the middle time frame TPD, and then on the lower time frame, you'll have your entry technique, which is a fair value gap and a breaker in alignment. So hopefully you all found this one insightful. I'll speak with you all again soon. Good luck and good trading.